this is Phil with Castle again. I want to go over an optional accessory for the Castle 110 low angle pocket cutter. We've done a couple of other videos on the 110. Make sure you take a look at the Castle 110 overview. You'll get a better idea what's special about the 110. Just a reminder, the Castle 110 again is a low angle pocket cutting machine. What that means is the screw exits the wood at 3 degrees. So this is what we're looking at here. The pocket is actually cut with a router, so it ends up being super clean. You can see the difference between that and what you get with a drilled pocket. The drilled pocket is 15 degrees. So if we take a kind of an end shot there, you can see the difference. There's a couple of different benefits to the low angle. But the biggest one is that low angle really minimizes shifting when you screw your parts together. Huge advantage. That's why all the commercial shops love the low angle from Castle. So the Castle 110 is super easy to use. So we have a pressure plate here as we clamp down. This is what actually clamps down and grabs your stock. Across the top of the pressure plate, we have inch increments that help you align your stock. So say for instance, I've got a board here and I need a couple of pockets on each end. I want the pocket centered a ½ inch off of each edge. I would simply place my piece in here and align it to the ½ inch mark. I'd cut my pocket, I'd drill my pilot hole, and then I would continue on. I would move it to the other side. Same procedure. But let's say, for instance, I've got a lot of boards that are the same width. Maybe I'm doing a set of face frames for kitchen cabinets. So we've came out with an optional accessory to make it a little bit easier. So it's a work stop set. What that involves is a work stop bar and 2 work stops. So on the work stop bar, there's a groove that's on the bottom. Hopefully you can see that on camera. That's going to go down, and we're going to put it closer to this end. On the Castle 110, on this face, the same face that the web adjustment is on, there's a square recess here. We're going to put that in again with the groove down. That groove is actually going to lock into the side of the case, so as I move it forward, it locks in and it drops. Once that happens, we're good to go. So our work stops, they go on the bar, but they can go in 2 different positions. So in this position, if you've got stock that isn't that wide, you can put them in this direction, or it can go over here if you've got stock that's a little bit wider. In this case, the board that I'm dealing isn't that wide, so I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to grab the mirror image one, put it on the opposite side. Now what I like to do in setting it up is I'm going to take my piece, I'm going to temporarily clamp it where I want it. And again, I want my pockets a ½ inch off of each edge, and that pocket is going to be centered a ½ inch off the edge. And then I'll simply move the stop over, I'll lock it in. I'll go ahead and set the other one up, same thing. I'm going to put it on the opposite ½ inch. We're going to move the stop over. So now I'm all set up. So now it's, I don't have to look at the pressure plate. I can simply reference the stops, clamp it down, cut the pocket, drill the pilot hole, and continue on. Do the other side. So it becomes real simple, it becomes very fast. So the Castle 110 work stops have one other feature. So on the bottom side of the work stop, there's an actual tab. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip these. I'm going to put them upside down so the tab is up. I flipped them so that the tab was a little bit farther out. But this tab, this little surface right here, is in the same plane as this back plate or fence. And what it does is it allows you with either bigger panels, in this case I've got a long board to demonstrate, it helps you get a better reference so that it stays square to the actual pocket machine. Pretty nice little added feature. So I'm going to set this back up, and I'm going to do a quick demo with the work stops in their normal position. Okay, I'm set back up where I'm going to cut a couple of pockets a 1/2 inch from the edge again. I'm going to actually clamp the machine down to my bench. Just got a simple quick grip. And I'm going to hook my vacuum up to the vacuum port. There's that. So now we're all set. Give that vacuum one more second to shut down. There we go. So there you have it. You can see two nice clean pockets, through holes. There's no trash or debris on it. Super easy, super quick, especially if you've got you know, multiple pieces of the same width. So stay tuned for other videos coming up on the Castle 110. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.